So you have saved a contact in your phone, but when you opened the WhatsApp contacts list, it was not present here. Or even you are not able to see all the contacts in your WhatsApp list. Let's tell you a very quick solution, and the only thing you have to do is you have to close WhatsApp and open it again. The closing means the complete closing, like opening the minimized apps and closing like this, and now opening WhatsApp again, and now open up your contacts list and try to search that contact here. But if this is not the case and you are missing all of your contacts or even some of your contacts, the solution number 2 is you have to open up the settings of your phone and scroll through this page and tap on apps, scroll through this page again and find WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp Business, you have to tap on that. But let's say I'm having issues with WhatsApp. After tapping onto it, you have to tap on contacts, and if this access has set to none or limited access, then you have to tap on this full access button and allow full access. Now open WhatsApp and try to find that contact, and all of your contacts will be synced after allowing the full access. So that's how you sync your contacts to WhatsApp. Thank you so much.